Jacksonville is one of the fastest growing cities in the country. This growth brings more opportunities than ever before. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or build wealth through real estate investing, there's never been a better time to start than now. JWB is on a mission to help renters become homeowners, to help new investors start real estate investing, and experienced investors scale their portfolios. For aspiring homeowners, we offer free first-time buyer classes and guide you through every step of the buying process. We've got new homes coming to market all across Jacksonville, and our team will help you find a home that fits your lifestyle and your budget. We'll help you explore the best down payment assistance programs available, connect you with financing options, and support you from start to close. In fact, many of our clients have moved into their first home with little to no money down. If you're renting a JWB home, we created Homestead, a revolutionary new program which lets JWB renters apply a portion of your monthly rent toward a future down payment. Now, if you're ready to invest in real estate, JWB is one of the nation's leading turnkey real estate investing companies. We've generated over $300 million in wealth and pay out more than $5 million in cash flow every month. The best part? We handle everything from renovations to property management. JWB turnkey rental properties earn true passive income and are a proven strategy to build long-term wealth. Jacksonville is growing, so are the opportunities. Let's get you in a home. Let's build your wealth. Let's make it happen.
Yeah, I'm overzealous when I'm thinking about the cash flow.